guys, it's Mrs. Reynolds here with Pink Cactus Studio, and today I thought we'd do some silly birds. I am loving seeing all the birds flying around outside, so I thought we could do some birds together. So let's get started. Just do your best, pause where you need, and just try and draw the shapes and lines that you see. All right, here we go. Let's add some color. I liked the idea of having a body one shade of color and then the wings and tails and bellies a darker shade of that same color family. And then some little finishing touches once it's dry. I went back over with like a marker into the beaks and then added little pupils in the eyes. And you can change the direction of the pupils, like some of them can look up, down, sideways. Just have fun with it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you had fun drawing your birds. I'd love to see them. See you next time.